Harry's back once again, friends, live and in color. Another good cold, snowy morning. Fired up the old 4610 Ford tractor, letting her warm up a little bit before we get started. Snow still hanging on the fields and the mountain. Colder than crap this morning. 19 degrees, what it said on the thermometer there a while ago. Harry's back in action. Ain't you, Harry? He's bundled up. You getting hot, Harry? The heat wave. Another fun field day, friends. Pitchfork and cow crap. Hauling out some manure, or as we call it, fertilize. Put it back on the ground. Ground's good and froze. Like spring last weekend. Ground's mud. While the ground's froze, we can get tractors and equipment out. We gotta get up to the barn and haul the manure out so the cattle got a nice place to come in the barn. Another pretty day the good Lord's made us. All kinds of fun field chores to do. Looking out across the valley. Let the old tractor sit there and warm up and loosen up real good before we get started. Friends, y'all have a good weekend, a good evening. Stay warm.